Hi everyone, so today I am making a double layered paratha. So for that I have already rolled this dough, wheat flour, and I already have little bit fried paneer, and I've added some chili powder, jeera powder and garam masala and salt. And now I'm spreading. The first step is to spread this paneer all over it, and then I'll roll another dough like same way and keep it just above it, and after that I'll be making the paratha. So I have also spread some cheese over it, and now I'll be just putting the other rolled paratha, and from the sides you can just like this, like seal it in your own way, whichever you seem is possible. And then I will be trying this paratha. So you can see how it looks. Just cook the paratha well, and then you can cut it from the middle, and you can enjoy the cheese, mouth melting cheese and paneer. This is how the hot and tasty paratha looks. You can enjoy the mouth watering melting cheese. Enjoy it with a nice ketchup or chutney. Another really cool variation of double layered paratha are these gur parathas. For that I have grated gur, as you can see, and cheese. So gur cheese paratha, and I'll be layering it with another pleated paratha and then cooking it. Till then this one is ready. The paneer. So today I am making matar. This is peely matar. So I'm making the chole out of it. So I had soaked it overnight in this bowl in some water, and now I put it in pressure cooker with some water, and I'm going to pressure cook it for 2 whistles around, because it's already quite soft. I mean, it's already soaked, so you just need to make it very soft. And then I'll prepare the tadka of it and prepare peely matar. So now I'm preparing onion, tomato and garlic and red chili. So I'll be mixing it in grinder and preparing the paste, which I'll add in this. I've already added mustard oil to 2 spoons, and bay leaves and some cumin seeds, pepper, and I'll be adding the grinded mixture to this. So after 6 whistles, now you can see that it's cooked really well. It's very soft, ready to eat. But before that, I'll be adding tadka to it and cooking it for a while. So I've added the grinded paste of tomato, onion, garlic to it, and now I'll be adding the masalas. Haldi powder, half a teaspoon, jeera powder, a little bit of red chili powder, and some chole powder or chicken masala powder you can use. And now I'll cook it for a while before adding the matar. So now I have added my matar to cooked matar with the tomato onion paste and the whole masala mixture, and I'm going to mix it. and cook it for a while. Now you can see how the color has come up really well, and I'll cook it for a while on sim, and I'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. I'll add a little bit of salt because I've already added salt in mutton. After it's cooked for like around 5-7 minutes, it will be ready. So here is my chole, matar ke chole ready. Just see the color, how it has come up with the gravy. I've garnished it with some coriander and enjoying it with some hot puris. So today I am making paneer roll curry. For that, the first step is to add onions, just cut it big in size, tomatoes, a green chili, some garlic, and some cumin seeds, and fry it. So my next step is to make small paneer rolls actually, and for that I've cut the paneer slices and I'm going to grind it in mixer. So my paneer is grinded properly, and now I've added like 2 teaspoons of maida. I had 150 gram of paneer, and now I will prepare a dough out of it. So I have grinded the tomato and onion mixture. Again, I'm frying it in the same pan. Now I'll be adding the spices. So half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, pinch of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. So my gravy is being prepared. I've added some malai to it. You can use almond cream or malai, whichever is available. Once it cooks like for 5 more minutes, you can also cover the lid, then we'll add the paneer. So I basically made small rolls or peda of paneer like these. So you just need to, like with your hands, roll a small portion of the dough and make a long circular tube, and then just spiral it around and tuck it in the end here. I've added some raisins. So now I have added my paneer small rolls into the gravy, and I'll let it cook. I'll just mix the gravy well with the paneer and let it cook for about 3-4 minutes. So now I'm adding the soaked sabudana. I had soaked it for 1 hour in water just to the brim, not more than that. So I am making sabudane ki khichdi, a very famous breakfast, and for this I have already fried tomatoes, potatoes, some cumin seeds in ghee. So I've roasted it, and some peanuts as well. So now I'm going to add salt to it and mix it well. I'm also going to add some chicken masala, pinch of chicken masala for taste, spiciness. And now I'm going to add some coriander leaves and mix it, fry it well for 2 minutes. So So my sabudane ki khichdi is ready. Just try to eat as hot as you can and yummy and delicious for breakfast. So here I am making a really quick recipe of bottle gourd. So I'm going to make lauki and aloo ki sabzi. For that I have added, we call it pachforan. That is, it has a number of so as it is fried pretty well, so now I'm going to add water. And now I'll be putting it on pressure cooker. I think you need to have 3 to 4 whistles on the cooker and it will be ready. I'm already feeling so mouth-watering. This is एक देसी खाना है which you can have for breakfast or even dinner. These puris and kaddu aloo ki sabzi. So I hope you like all my recipes and you'll try these at home. So please subscribe my channel. Show your love, guys. Share this video with your friends and hit the bell icon for notifications. Show your love, guys.